This video right here is for my brothers, my black men. Now, anybody else, you can watch this video. I don't want to isolate you from it because I know it's some white dudes, Asian dudes, Hispanic dudes who grew up around black men who are part of the culture. You're invited to the cookout. But in this video, I'm going to talk to my brothers and ask you, why the hell are you still using a razor? Hit it! This right here, this is what you're using on your face because you want a close shave. Now, you might have been like me. The first time I used this was over 25 years ago. I never touched it again. And the reason why I used this is because I was working in corporate America and I was working around white men, and white men were telling me, hey man, use a razor. And my ass went home, used a razor. Next thing you know, bop, bop, bop. Face is hot, I break out in razor bumps. My skin as a black man is different. My hair does not grow like the white man's hair. The white man's hair grows straight. As a black man, my hair grows like a number 9. It grows curly. So when I use this razor right here, it lifts the hair follicles up and it cuts under the skin. So when the hair follicles grow back and it's your fault, then you get a razor bump because the hair is growing under your skin, causing a bump. Damn you, that's what happened. So my question is, fellas, why are you still using a razor? Now, I see some of y'all comments, I can use a razor. Now, this doesn't pertain to all black men. It's never any all, okay? Now, you're a fool if you think all, so I'm not saying that this does it to all black men, but a majority of black men break out from using a razor. I already see the comments, man, I used the razor, I'm not breaking out. Well, then you don't need to watch this, or just keep the damn comment to yourself, okay? But if you want to be smart, fellas, and you are using this and you are breaking out in razor bumps, then stop using the damn thing. Razors are not for the black man. To combat the razor, what you want to use is a foil shaver. What this does, it gives you a shave like the razor, but without the bumps because it does not cut under your skin. This is very easy to use. Once you use your trimmer, you cut your facial hair or your bald hair, whatever hair you cut with the trimmer, but don't cut down there, okay? Don't cut down there with a trimmer, okay? Unless you get like a special trimmer for that. Once you cut your facial hair off or you line it up, whatever you do with the trimmer, then you follow it up with the foil shaver. The foil shaver gives you that smooth razor shave. It's going to be clean. It's going to feel just like you use a razor. This is your best friend, a foil shaver. Leave a comment if you use a foil shaver and how it's benefited you. And especially if you watch one of my videos and you got the foil shaver, leave a comment. It's not hard, y'all. It's not hard. I'm going to leave a link in the description to this Babyless foil shaver, but I will also recommend a few other foil shavers. Whichever one fits your budget, that's the one you get, because if I'm recommending it to you, that means it's a good foil shaver. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day, my brothers. And when I say my brothers, I ain't talking about just black men, because if you're tuning in, I'm talking about my black, white, Hispanic, Asian, Indian. You are all my brothers. I'll see y'all later. Ciao.